Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something really special. I've got the Shirogorov F95 Icebreaker here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like this video and maybe you can also think to subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying this stuff right over here. Would you check this bad boy out? This is special edition, of course, brown box, not the black box, and it comes with this beauty right over here. That's the F95 Icebreaker. Of course, it's a special edition which comes with this pretty cool bead right over here. It's titanium blue anodized, and it's regarding the World Oceanic International Flight with the Shiro bear right in it. And of course, you're gonna find the microfiber cloth and the certificate of authenticity. This is a 2021 edition, and it's a fantastic knife. It's probably, I don't know if I have to say this, but probably my favorite F95. This is just a gorgeous one. Really cool indeed. Let me just wipe off the blade. It's, guys, check this out. It's just fantastic work of art, I have to say, because it's gorgeous. Like, look at this. Let's check the size. Overall length on this guy is going to be 8.8 inches with a 3.8 inch long blade and 5 inch long handle, which in centimeters translates into 22.5 overall, 10 centimeters for the blade, and across it's 12.5 centimeters. This is the Shirogorov Icebreaker F95 special edition. It's just a gorgeous knife. Like the titanium frame lock, the milling is outstanding. This is what the Hattie actually would be looking if it wouldn't be in carbon fiber, because that's the that milling pattern, so you can see it clearly right now. And look at that. You can just admire for a second this crazy milling. Just beautifully done. This guy comes with a blue anodized titanium back spacer. The old F95 was just coming with a standoff. And this is just a crazy cool one. Really cool. You've got titanium tip-up carry-only pocket clip with hidden hardware. You've got some crazy milling lines, really fine in the lock bar cut-out release. And of course, you've got this blade, which is just gorgeous. Would you look at that? You have a nice jimping going on, which is surrounded, as you can see, in a gorgeous way by this. It looks like a cutout, but it's not. But it's like a deep, you see, look at that. This detail is just gorgeous. And then you have a little bit of chamfering going on right up to this point, and then nothing. And then you've got like your classic F95 20, maybe 30% belling, straight edge up to the sharpening choil, flat grind, stone wash blade, M390 steel. It's just fantastic. The sound, the action, the feel, the grip, everything just screams quality on this bad boy. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.